How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can change the temperature in the Elegoo slicer. Now, this is going to be extremely simple. Just head over to your slicer right here. And then to change the temperature, we must change it individually for each filament. So as you may know, there are different filament presets that you are going to apply for each type. For example, for PLA, I think what works best is around 60 to 70 or something like that. You can just go ahead and search it on Google to see which temperature works best for you. Now, in my case, I'm using this two filaments right here, which is going to be two colors of PLA. To edit out its temperature, you want to click on the Edit Preset button just right beside their preset name. And then it will take us to this window. Simply inside, scroll down, and then we have the print temperature. We have the nozzle, and this is going to be the temperature for the first layer. In my case, it's going to be 210. This is going to be the default temperature for this specific preset. So you can just change it up right here. You also have your bed temperature if you want to simply change that. And basically from there, you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.